Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A52s with any Android TV. First of all, here we are giving a disclaimer that phone used in this video is not actually A52s. However, for educational and demo purpose, this Samsung phone is used. So don't worry about it and don't write a comment like that. This is not a A52s like that. Okay. And now let's learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A52s with any Android TV. First of all, make sure that your phone and TV are connected to a common Wi-Fi. So here I go to phone and go to Wi-Fi section of phone and see here my phone is connected to a Wi-Fi called Durai 5G. The same Wi-Fi should be connected to your TV too. So go to your TV now and select settings of your TV there. Just go settings and go to network and internet and turn on Wi-Fi there, and you will be seeing several signals if it is available. Yes, here only one signal is available, that too through 5G. So my TV is also connected to the same network, that is Durai 5G network. Okay, so phone and TV are connected to common Wi-Fi named Durai 5G. Now come to your phone and go to Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store and search for Google Home app. Just go to the search bar and type Google Home and install this Google Home app. Just click on install so that it will be downloading and installing. Just wait few seconds for downloading and installing. If it is taking longer time, go to drink a tea and it will be downloading and installing. After finishing, just click on open and go to get started here and click on next, and if it is asking any permission, just to give it, and here you have to select the email ID. Here you have to give the email ID that you have used in your TV. That is very important step. Don't change email ID here. What email ID you have used in your TV, that will be that should be used here too. Okay, just select it. If it is not available, that email ID, just you go to freshly sign in here. Okay, and click on next and give permission and click on next, give permission. If it is asking you to enable location services through settings, don't go for it because it is not needed. Just click on skip and click on devices. Your TV device now will be appearing in the screen. Yes, it is appeared in the name of Android TV. Just click on it and click on cast my screen and click on cast screen and click on start now to initiate screen mirroring. Yes, done. Screen mirroring is done. And if you would like to control volume from the screen itself, yes, you can do this bar. Otherwise, if you go out of this screen, you can control volume using TV remote. In the TV remote, you will see plus button and minus button. Okay, if you press plus button, volume will be increasing. If you press minus button, volume will be decreasing. Okay, now go to any other screen. I open Facebook in my phone. That is also seen in my TV. So screen mirror is completely done, and whatever screen you go in your mobile screen, that will be exactly seen in your TV too. Sound will also be playing in the TV. In this way, you can easily do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A52s with any Android TV. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.